The forest floor is silent, a world hushed beneath a thick, icy blanket. Snow covers every inch, muffling footsteps and swallowing sound, creating a stillness so deep it feels almost sacred. Each branch is heavy with ice, bending under the weight, while the air itself is sharp and biting, stinging any exposed skin. Most creatures have fled or burrowed deep, seeking refuge from the relentless cold, leaving the woods seemingly empty. But hidden beneath the leaves and snow lies a small, frozen marvel, the wood frog, Lithobates sylvaticus, a true survivor of the frost. To the untrained eye, it appears dead, rigid, breathless, its body frozen solid, as if life itself has been paused. Ice crystals fill its tissues and organs, yet this is not death, but a remarkable survival strategy unique in the animal kingdom. The wood frog has embraced the cold, becoming one with winter itself, its body perfectly adapted to the season's harsh demands. It has mastered a state between life and death, stopping its heart, halting all biological activity, and waiting in suspended animation for months. While other animals hibernate, slowing their bodies but never truly freezing, the wood frog takes an even more extreme path, embracing the freeze itself. Evolution has sculpted this adaptation over countless generations, fine-tuning the frog's chemistry to survive the impossible. In its frozen stillness, the frog is a symbol of resilience, a living promise that life will return with the sun's warmth and the coming thaw. The forest may seem desolate, but hidden within are stories of survival that defy belief, tales of endurance and adaptation. The wood frog's tale is one of suspended animation and miraculous revival, a cycle repeated year after year as winter gives way to spring. This is not science fiction, it's a real spectacle in North American woodlands, a natural wonder hidden beneath the snow. As we stand in this quiet, frozen landscape, we witness a true champion of survival, a creature that endures where others cannot. The wood frog waits patiently for spring, an ice warrior in a crystalline prison, its fate tied to the changing seasons. Its story is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a reminder of the extraordinary ways life adapts to survive. In the heart of winter, life endures in the most astonishing ways, quietly persisting beneath the snow and ice. The wood frog is proof that even in the coldest silence, hope persists, and that beneath winter's icy grip, the promise of spring is never far away. The wood frog is a small, unassuming amphibian, perfectly camouflaged among the leaf litter. Its earthy colors, tan, brown, russet, blend seamlessly with the forest floor. A dark mask-like marking behind each eye gives it a mysterious look. Slender and smooth-skinned, its powerful hind legs are built for jumping and spring-breeding migrations. Unlike pond-dwelling frogs, wood frogs are true woodland creatures, often found far from water. Their range stretches from the southern Appalachians to the Arctic Circle, making them the northernmost amphibian in North America. They thrive in moist woodlands, relying on the health of the forest for survival. Their terrestrial lifestyle shapes their unique breeding and winter survival strategies. Instead of burrowing deep, they face winter head-on, right where they live. The wood frog's connection to the forest is absolute, a delicate balance of adaptation and environment. The wood frog's life is one of quiet diligence, hidden in the leaf litter, almost invisible to the untrained eye. In warmer months it hunts small invertebrates, spiders, beetles, slugs, worms, using camouflage and patience. It is an ambush predator, striking with a flick of its sticky tongue. Spring brings a powerful urge to breed, making the frogs briefly visible and vocal. The rest of the year, they live solitary lives, each navigating its own patch of forest. Camouflage is their main defense. When threatened, they freeze or leap to safety. As autumn approaches, they sense the coming cold and seek shallow depressions in the soil and leaves, hibernacula. Here, they settle in, exposed to the full force of winter, enduring the harshest conditions. This risky choice ensures they'll be among the first to thaw in spring, gaining a head start to the breeding pools. Their entire strategy hinges on timing: endure the freeze, reach the pond first, lay eggs before others. It's a life on the edge, balancing risk and reward, constantly adapting to the changing seasons. The wood frog's secret existence is a masterclass in survival, a testament to nature's resilience. Every decision is shaped by the rhythm of the seasons, a delicate dance with nature. Their story is one of adaptation, resilience, and the relentless drive to endure, no matter the odds. In the hidden corners of the forest, the wood frog's gamble plays out year after year, a silent testament to survival. As winter deepens, the temperature in the frog's shallow refuge drops well below zero, plunging the world into a deep freeze. Ice forms in the soil and soon penetrates the frog's skin, creeping inward as the cold intensifies. Ice crystals develop in the spaces around its cells, not inside them, a crucial distinction that prevents catastrophic damage. Gradually, the frog freezes solid, its skin stiffens, its body turns to ice, and movement ceases entirely. Up to 70% of its body water becomes ice, locking the frog in a crystalline prison. Breathing stops, lungs freeze, and the heart halts completely. There is no sign of life. All metabolic activity ceases. The frog is, by all measures, clinically dead, suspended in time. For most creatures, internal ice is fatal, rupturing cells and destroying tissue beyond repair. But the wood frog has evolved a way to survive this deadly ordeal, defying the odds. It turns a deadly process into a reversible one, remaining in suspended animation for weeks or even months at a time. Unlike hibernating mammals, the wood frog's shutdown is total. No heartbeat, no breath, no warmth, no cellular activity. It is a leap to the brink of death, trusting that spring will come and bring a chance at revival. The forest becomes its temporary tomb, but the frog's unique chemistry holds the key to survival. This is not sleep, it's a biological gamble with everything at stake. A test of nature's limits. The wood frog's frozen state is a marvel of adaptation, a testament to evolutionary ingenuity. When the world finally warms, the wood frog will attempt the impossible, to return from the very edge of life and begin again. The secret to the wood frog's survival lies in its chemistry. When ice touches its skin, the frog's liver floods its body with glucose. This sugar acts as a natural antifreeze, making the fluid inside its cells too syrupy to freeze. While water outside the cells freezes, the high glucose concentration protects the cell's vital machinery. Other cryoprotectants, like urea, help manage the freezing process. The frog's cells shrink as water is drawn out, further concentrating the glucose. Ice forms in a controlled way, never breaching the cell walls. The frog essentially freeze-dries itself, preserving its cells for revival. This process is a masterclass in evolutionary biochemistry. The wood frog doesn't fight the freeze, it manages it, sacrificing function to save its essence. It can endure temperatures as low as -6 degrees Celsius, perfectly preserved by nature's design. As spring returns, the wood frog begins to thaw. The process is rapid. Within hours, the heart is one of the first organs to revive. It starts to beat, pushing blood and warmth through the body. Lungs thaw and the frog takes its first breath in months. Limbs regain movement, the frog twitches, stretches, and comes back to life. Excess glucose is reabsorbed and stored for next winter. The frog shows no damage, no tissue death, no organ failure. Its revival is more astonishing than its freeze. Scientists study this process, hoping to unlock secrets for medicine and organ preservation. Within a day, the wood frog is active, driven by a single purpose. Males thaw first and head to vernal pools, ready to breed. Survival is just the beginning. Now, the race to ensure the next generation begins. The wood frog's arrival at vernal pools signals spring's true beginning. These temporary fish-free pools are perfect nurseries. Males arrive first, filling the air with duck-like calls to attract females. Breeding is frantic and brief, just a few days. Females lay egg masses containing hundreds to thousands of eggs, often in communal clusters. The gelatinous matrix insulates and warms the embryos. Adults leave after laying eggs, returning to the forest. Tadpoles hatch within weeks, feeding on algae and detritus. They must grow quickly to transform before the pools dry up. Metamorphosis is dramatic. Legs grow, tails shrink, lungs develop. Tiny froglets emerge, ready for life on land. In 1 to 2 years, they'll return to the pools to continue the cycle. The wood frog's life is a race against time and the elements. The wood frog is a keystone species vital to its ecosystem. As tadpoles, they clean vernal pools, controlling algae and detritus. As adults, they consume insects and invertebrates, helping balance populations. They are also prey for snakes, birds, and mammals, transferring energy up the food chain. Their migration links forest and wetland, cycling nutrients between habitats. The loss of wood frogs would disrupt the entire ecosystem, yet they face threats, habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Destruction of forests and vernal pools removes their homes and breeding sites. Pollution poisons their sensitive skin and young. Climate change can dry pools too soon or disrupt breeding timing. Protecting wood frogs means protecting the health of the whole forest. The wood frog's story is a testament to nature's ingenuity. To freeze solid and return to life is a strategy beyond imagination, yet it happens every winter. Evolution has crafted countless survival stories, each a masterpiece of adaptation. The wood frog's secrets could revolutionize medicine, but only if we protect them. Habitat destruction and climate change threaten their survival, and our chance to learn from them. Their fate is tied to our choices. Next time you walk a winter forest, remember the ice warriors beneath the leaves. Let their resilience inspire curiosity and action. Cherish the complexity of life and work to protect it. In the frozen heart of the woods, hope endures, waiting for the thaw.